What's up everyone, Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, from my beautiful, comfortable couch with my even more beautiful girlfriend, Sarah. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're just hanging out Saturday night, relaxing, and I was like, I have to do a quick technical analysis. So here I am, Sarah's on her iPad, probably shopping, and I figured I would do a very quick, under 5 minutes, to the point, technical analysis, what I've been kind of keeping an eye on. I've been talking about this falling wedge for the last few days in a couple other videos, really keeping an eye on it. If you look at it, we have these 3 touches on the top, we have the 3 touches on the bottom, and now it's kind of, we have a lot of convergence between the top line and the bottom, and we're kind of just keeping an eye on what's going to happen next because, you know, something is probably going to happen. I have a couple scenarios. I'll tell you what I think might happen, and then we'll just see what happens. So obviously we broke 200 last night, overnight, and we've kind of been hanging above 200 for pretty much all of today, 200 to 210. Now we have this resistance, which I think is going to show a little bit of resistance at 220, but we really need, in order to break this upper downtrend line, we need to break the 220 at the same time. It's going to need to happen. So it's something to keep an eye on. If we do make a run up, can we break both of these lines, this area of confluence right here? So on the flip side, will we bounce off of the 220 and revisit the bottom of this wedge? I have a slight feeling, for whatever reason, and I know feelings lie in this game, but if I were to guess, I would guess we might revisit down in the 150 to 180 area one more time. I could be completely wrong. I just want to be honest about my opinion and what I think. Just because I could see us coming down, revisiting one more time, retesting maybe even 150 and bouncing back up, and then hopefully, you know, breaking through this trend line, breaking through 220, or even bouncing off 220 to the top of the support trend line, and then finally breaking back up and breaking 220, and then hopefully 220 would turn into a new area of support and we create a new channel. That's a lot to guess and speculate, but that's just kind of the way I'm speculating, and that's what I'm kind of anticipating. Now, at the same time, we might completely just break out of this 220 and create a new channel. You know the game, you know the drill, anything can happen. So technical analysis only gives us kind of an illustration of what's forming. Patterns that have formed in the past, we can keep an eye on them possibly happening again, which is partly why I can see us revisiting this area once more. Only time will tell. Anything can happen. It's fun to keep an eye on, and I guess overall I'm definitely bullish, but right now short term, I don't know if we're out of the woods yet, so I'm just, you know, keenly keeping an eye on everything, and we'll see what happens. So those are my thoughts. I told you I would keep this under 5 minutes. Quick technical analysis, Saturday, January 20th, 2018. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending time with me and Sarah on this Saturday evening on this couch of ours. And we hope you have an awesome night, and God bless.
Bye.